Ninth class mathematics. Real numbers. Find the square root of decimal numbers. First one. Find the square root of 3.61. Here 3 digits are there. 1, 2, 3. Take the one pair and one single. Use the perfect square table. 1 1 is 1. Here write the quotient here and add. 1 plus 1 is the 2. Here 3 minus 1 is the 2. Take the pair of the digits. 6 1. 261. 2 divided with the 26. That is the final number is the 9. 29 9s are. 9 9s are 81. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 8 is the 26. 261. 29 9s are 261. Remainder is the 0. Therefore, square root of 3.61 is equal to 1.9. Second example. Find the square root of 30.25. Here, how many digits are there here? 4 digits. That's why we will take the 2 pairs. One pair is the 30. This 30 is in the 5 5 is the 25. 6 6 the 36 is the greater than 30. That's why we will take the 5 5 is the 25. 5 right here. 5 5 is the 25. 10 minus 5 is the 5. Take the 88 time pair of the digits to 5. 525. Here 10 is there. 10 5 is 50. That's why 10 after take the 5 and multiply with the 5. 5 5 is 25. 5 1 is 5. 525. Then the remainder is the 0. Therefore, square root of 30.25 is equal to 5.5. Find the value of root 2 by long division method. 2 is equal to 2.000000000000 so on. Here take the 2.000000 so on. 2 zeros, 1 pair, and the pair. 1 1 is 1. Use the perfect square table. 1 1 is 1. Here 1 plus 1 is the 2. 2 minus 1 is the 1. Take the one pair of the zeros. 2 5s are 10. First number divided with the first number. 2 5s are 10. That means 2 after write the 5 multiply with the 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 is the 12. That is the 125. This 125 is the greater than 100. That's why decrease the 1 unit. That is the 24 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8 and 1 is the 9. 96 is the less than 100. That's why 24 4s are 96. Subtraction. 10 minus 6 is the 4. Here 9 minus 9 is the 0. Here 4 is there. Here 4 plus 4 is the 8. 2. Now starting number is the 2. 2 2s are 4. 281 1s are 281. 281 282 2s are, that is the greater than 400. That's why we will take the 281 1s are 281. Take the subtraction. Take the borrowing here. 10 minus 1 is the 9. 9 minus 8 is the 1. 3 minus 2 is the 1. Here addition 1 plus 1 is the 2. 8 2. Here starting number is the 2. Here starting number is the 11. 2 5s are 10. That's why 2824. 282. After write the 5 and multiply with the 5. That number multiplication value is the greater than this value. That's why decrease the 1 unit. 2824. Next 2825 after take the 2824 and multiply with the 4. 4 4 ja 16, 4 2 ja 8, 9, 4 8 ja 32, 4 2 ja 8 plus 3 is the 11. 11,296. 4 plus 4 is the 8 here. Write the remaining numbers. Here subtraction 604. Take the another pair of the zeros 0 0. Now starting number is the 2 here. Here 6 is there. 2 3 is the 6. That's why multiply with the 3. Check with the 3. Multiply with 3. This value is the greater than 60,400. That's why decrease the 1 unit. 2 multiply with the 2. That value is equal to 56,564. Subtraction. 10 minus 4 is the 6 here, 3 here, 8 here, 3. This value is the 3 here, 2 is there. 2 1s are 2. So multiply with the 1. 28,284. 28,284 after take the 1 multiply with the 1. That means 2,82,841 1s are 2,82,841 and so on. We'll get the root 2 value 1.41421 and so on. Find the value of root 3 by long division method. Take the 3 in the dividend. This 1 1s are 1. 1 plus 1 is the 2. 3 minus 1 is the 2. Put the point and take zeros in the dividend. 2 1s are 2. This is the 27. 7s are. First to take the check with the 9. 2 after write the 9 multiply with the 9. 9 9s are 81. 9 2s are 18 and 26. 261 is the greater than 200. You take the decrease the 1 unit. 8s are 2 after write the 8 multiply with the 8 will get the 224. This number also greater than the 200. That's why decrease the another 1 unit. 2 after write the 7 multiply with the 7. 7 7s are 49. 7 to the 14 and 18 189. This number is less than 200. So 27 7s are 189. Write the 7 here. Then add 7 plus 7 is the 14 and 2 plus 1 is the 3. Here subtraction 10 minus 9 is the 1. 9 minus 8 is the 1. Put this point place again take the 2 zeros. In the division point place taken the 1 0. In the square roots will take the 2 zeros. 11 after taken here 2 zeros. Here first digit is the 3. Here first digit is the 11. 3 3s are 9. So 34 after take the 3 multiply with the 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 is the 10. This 1029 is less than 1100. So 343 3s are 1029. Here plus 3. 3 plus 3 is the 6. Here 4. Here 3. Here starting number is the 7. 7 divided with the 3. 3 2s are 6. That's why we will take the 3 4 6. After take the 2 multiply with the 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 6 are 12. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 is the 9. 3 2 2 3s are 6. 6,924. Here 3,462. 2s are 6,924. Take the subtraction here. Here 2 plus 2 is the 4 and so on. Here subtraction 10 minus 4 is the 6. Here 9 minus 2 is the 7. 10 minus 9 is the 1. This number is less than this number. So we take the 0 here. Here also take the 0. Here take the 2 pair of the zeros. Then multiply with the 5. This step 346405 multiply with the 5 will get the 173225 right here. then subtraction. Again add the 5 here, 5 plus 5 is the 10, here 4, 6, 4, 3. This number also less than this number. That's why we take the 8 this number. So here root 3 is equal to 1.7320508. Rounding the numbers up to 3 decimal places. Root 3 value is equal to 1.7320508. Rounding the number means here 8 means here increase the 1 unit. This number is the less than 5. That's why rounding this number also. 5 is the greater than 5 or greater than 1. Increase the before number 1 unit. That value is equal to 1.7321. Root 3 value is approximately equal to the 1.7321. Try this. Find the value of root 5 by long division method.